Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a food processors chopper, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire depth is about like 18.5 inches, and for the overall height, it's about like a 15 and 3/4 inches tall. And the width for the units is almost about like 11.5 inches wide. So as we can see, the units is a countertop stylings and for the food processors. And for the units on the side of it, we're having the power switches right here and the speed adjuster at the bottoms. And when we're looking at the behind of the units, they come in with the standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. And also they do notify the car sheets informations with the ETL sanitation stickers on the machine. And also we're having these units have a handles security locks, and you can just pull it up to remove it. And there's a cap, and when you open it, we can see they do have a gasket around this cap, and also they have a small holes here for you to put some extra stuff in if you want. This is a jar, the bar, and for this port, it's major things for this unit, and this one made by stainless steels. We can simply to remove it. They have a 2 security locks on the side. When you remove it, this port you can just take it off. And the inner side, we do have a blade. And for this port dimensions, the diameter is about like a 10.5 inches wide. And the total depths, they are about like 8 inches deep. And also when we're looking the inner side, they do have a maximal, the levels. There's the engagements right here for you to notify totally how much you can put inner side. Okay, and this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.